Hi, and welcome back to Icon's YouTube channel. Today we have a short video for you showing the Excel edit functionality for Business Central data. This is, you take any information on lists in Business Central and you can edit it very easily in Excel. This can be a very useful tool to edit master records and even transaction records, unposted transaction records, of course. The edited Excel functionality is a built-in function that requires no configuration, so it's something you should try very soon. Let me show you. So we're going to go to sales here, customers, and I have a list of customers here, and you can see I have my number, name, contact information, balance, and so on. My phone number field is empty and I want to fill it up, right? Now you can do this by going into, of course, every customer card and edit the phone number field. That would be very tedious though if you have a lot of records. So I'm going to export this to Excel and work on it in my favorite environment. Now Business Central has multiple ways of saving list information. One of them is open in Excel, which basically is a data dump. It's a single direction to Excel. Then you have edit in Excel, which is the feature we're going to be talking about today. There's two new features that were added to the system recently. One of them is share to teams, and the other one is copy link. Both allow you to share this particular view with all its filters and everything into a Teams environment or via your favorite messaging medium. Now I'm going to go in and click in Edit in Excel, and this basically opens up, downloads an Excel file. I'm going to open that Excel file, and that will open up not just the Excel file with the table with the data, but it's going to log me into Business Central here with this add-in that it's included with Business Central for Excel. Now this add-in basically connects you using your Microsoft 365 credentials, and the same roles and security rules apply when looking at Business Central data. You can see here that the system accessed my list of customers, and there's plenty of fields in here for me to play with. You can actually design this particular table and take out the fields you don't need, and just leave the fields that you want the user to edit if what you want is to create some sort of a template, for example. But in my case, I'm just going to locate the phone number field, which is right here. And I'm just going to put some phone numbers in here, right? And I'm going to go ahead and fill those up. So once I have filled up the information I want, I'm going to go ahead and publish this information back to Business Central. Now you won't be able to change any locked in information, any configuration that needs to remain the way it is. So the system will give you an error. It will highlight those lines with errors if you try to edit a field that you should not be touching. So it will respect the business rules, which is a good thing. I'm going to go ahead and click on publish now. You can see it's publishing the changes, and it says that the publish was successful. So let's see if that's true. I'm going to go back to my Business Central, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh my screen. F5, and you will see that I have my phone numbers entered in Business Central. This is a pretty nifty feature. Again, requires no configuration. You should be using it every day. Until next time, visit our YouTube channel and keep in touch.